Let's see how can we give a different look to the pallu using a bangle. Pin the pallu pleats till the length you want. Now just drop the pallu on the bed or any surface. Now take 3 bangles. Take the first bangle and insert inside the pallu. Go till you have put the safety pin. Now take the second bangle and insert inside the pallu in the same way. The right side of the pallu should be facing up. Just ensure that. Now drop the first bangle over the second bangle. A loop will be formed and take out the pallu from inside that loop. Now take the third bangle and insert inside the pallu in the same way. After inserting, reverse the pallu side and put it below the second bangle closer to the first. It will be like next to the first bangle, and again a loop will be formed. Remove the pallu from that loop and now again turn the pallu up. Now the right side of the pallu is up, and again you can see only a single loop is left. You have to bring that pallu from inside that loop. And your bangle drape is done. This bangle are fitted nicely. Now drape the saree in a normal way and pin the pallu to the blouse in a way that the bangle is seen in the front. Arrange the pleats properly. The pleats will be automatically arranged in this. Hope you liked the video. Do like and comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Thanks for watching.